All right, people, check this out. This was my hunk of junk one-piece laundry unit. Washer below, and it had a dryer up on the top section, of course, manufactured that way. I got the dryer section out already. It's a hunk of junk. I'm taking it out in pieces because I brought it in through a window, and it was a pain in the ass, and it's not going out through the window. So I'm just taking it apart and bringing it out to the door, and I'm going to get a side-by-side. I'll be able to bring them in through the door in one piece, put them side by side. But anyway, so here's where I'm at, right? Check this out. I can't disconnect the bottom part and bring it out because, check this out. This is a Simmons univalve, right, for shutting off the water to the washer section. Right now it's in the off position. I don't know if you can see that. It says off over there. And this says on right here, right? It's in the off position. That's the on position where it normally is during normal operation. And I'm going to put it to the off position. But, oh, my finger's got in the way. But check this out now. Check this out, what happens. See that? You see that? See that? See that? It's still under pressure. The frickin' valve has failed. This hunk of piece of shit Simmons valve, which has a good reputation, or had a good reputation. I'll never use one again. I've been putting these in apartment laundry areas for 20, 30 years. So, but anyway, that's my dilemma. I'm stuck. I got to come up with a plumbing solution. So I'm going to put in 2 separate valves, hopefully tomorrow, so I can shut off the water and be done with this. Get this out of here. Until then, I can't disconnect the hoses. That's it.